Good day children, Sai Ram. Welcome to Active English class. Today in Active English we are going to do some revisions. Okay, so the chapters which we have already covered, which we have already finished, from that chapters we are going to do some revisions. Okay, so are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay, now the first question is, choose the correct option and answer the questions. Okay, now you have to just tick the correct option. From the given options you have to tick the correct option. Okay, now the first question, what is he going to do? First option is, he is going to play cricket. B, he is going to play football. C, he is going to play chess. Now look at the picture. What is that boy having in his hand? Football. So he is going to play football. Yes or no? So which option is correct here? Yes, option B. That is, what is he going to do? And the answer is, he is going to play football. Okay, next question. What is he going to do? And the option is, he is going to ride his bicycle. B, he is going to ride his car. C, he is going to ride his bike. Now look at the picture. What is the picture? Yes, in the picture the boy is having bicycle. Yes or no? So which option is correct here? Yes, option A. That is, he is going to ride his bicycle. What is he going to do? He is going to ride his bicycle. Okay, next question now. Choose the correct option and change the sentence. Okay, now first question. The teacher told a story to the children. Now here kids, you have to change the sentence. Okay, now let's see the first option. She told them a story. Second option, she asked them a story. Third, she taught them a story. Now when we are changing the sentence, the teacher told a story to the children. So in the changed sentence we have to use the word told. Yes or no? So in the A option, can you see the word told? Yes, I can see. In the B, no. The B option is saying she asked them a story. The C option is saying she taught them a story. So this both options are wrong. So which option is correct here? Yes, first option, that is, she told them a story. So when we are changing this above sentence, how we will change? She told them a story. Okay, now next question. Mr. Shah gave some oranges to Prem. Yes, now the option is, she gave him an apple. B option, she gave him some grapes. C option, she gave him some oranges. Please, kids, please add S to the oranges. Okay. Mr. Shah gave some oranges to Prem. So when we are changing this sentence, see what Mr. Shah gave. Mr. Shah gave to Prem oranges. Yes or no? So in which option can you see oranges? Just tell me. Yes, in the third option, that is, she gave him some oranges. So which option is correct here? Option C. Kids, here in this question, please add S to the spelling, to the word orange. See, teacher has given here just orange. Please add oranges. Please write S in that word. Okay. Now next question. Choose the correct option and write out the sentences adding one of these words. Always, never, sometimes, often. Okay. From these words you have to add one of the word and write the sentence. Okay. Now let's see the question. We come to school by aeroplane. Now the first option is we never come to school by aeroplane. Third, we sometimes come to school by aeroplane. See, teacher has already added that words and she has framed some sentence. Now you have to tell which is the correct sentence. Okay. The first option was we never come to school by aeroplane. Second, we sometimes comes to school by aeroplane. Third, we always come to school by aeroplane. See here, teacher has used these words never, sometime, always. Okay. And she has framed the sentence. Now you have to tell which is the correct option in this. So, we come to school by aeroplane? No, na? So, which option is correct here? Yes, option. Which option is correct here? Option A. Which option? Option A. That is, we never come to school by aeroplane. Okay. Next question. We go to bed at night. Okay. Now here also 3 options are given. Teacher has already used that bracket given words and she has framed the sentences, and 3 options are given to you. Just I will read the option. We always go to bed at night. Second option, we never go to bed at night. Third, we sometimes go to bed at night. See, again here teacher has used the word always, never and sometimes, and I have framed the sentences for you all. Now just tell me which is the correct one. Which option is correct here? We go to bed at night. Yes. Which option is correct here? Yes. Which option? First option, that is we always go to bed at night. Which option is correct here? We always go to bed at night. Next question. Choose the correct option and answer the questions. Okay. Now first question. How many pencils are there in the glass? Now just count the number of pencils. Okay. Till then I will read out the options. There are 3 pencils in the glass. Second option, there are 2 pencils in the glass. Third option, there are 9 pencils in the glass. Now just look at the picture. How many pencils can you see there? Yes, 3 pencils. So which option is correct here? Very good. First option, that is there are 3 pencils in the glass. Very good, kids. Very good. Now next question. How much water is there in the jug? See, in the first question we can count the thing, but in this question we can count? No. That's why we have framed the question how much. Okay, we have started the question with how much. We have not started how many. We have started with how much. So the options are: the jug is half full, the jug is full, the jug is empty. See, now I can see some water in this picture. In this picture there is one jug. In that jug I can see water. So that means the third option, that is the jug is empty. This option is not right. Okay, the jug is half full. This option is also not correct. Then which option is correct here? Which option is correct here? Yes. The jug is full. The jug is full. Okay. Now next question. What do we write? What do we write with? What do we write with? Yes, we write with our pens. We draw with our pencils. We paint with our pencils. See, read the question first. What do we write with? See, in the question the word write is used. So, in which option do you see the word write? Yes. See, in the second option we draw with pencil. That means this option is wrong. We paint with our pencil. This option is also wrong. Is the question asking about draw and paint? No. The question is asking about write. How we write? What do we write with? So, which option is correct here? Which option is correct? We write with our pens. Yes. Okay. Now next question. What do we hear with? First option, we hear with our tongue. We hear with our ear. We hear with our hands. Now it's very simple. Which option is correct here? Yes, very good. Which option? Option B, that is we hear with our ears. Okay. Now next question. Choose the correct option and write out the sentences adding one of these words. Always, never, sometime, often. Okay. Now teacher has already framed the sentence by using this bracket words. Just you have to choose the correct sentence. Okay. Now first question. Do you ever sleep in school? First option is no. I never sleep in school. Second, no. I never sleep in bus. No. I never sleep in train. See, the question is asking about school. Do you ever sleep in school? No. I never sleep in school. So, which option is correct here? Option first, that is no. I never sleep in school. Okay. Now, the second question. Do you ever clean your teeth at night? Do you ever clean your teeth at night? And the options are no. I never clean my teeth at night. Second option, yes. I always clean my teeth at night. Third option, no. I never clean my face at night. Now here the question is asked about teeth. So the third option is wrong. We are not talking about face. We are talking about teeth. Yes or no? So this option is wrong. Now remaining two options, we have to choose the answer from remaining two options. Now, no, I never clean my teeth at night. This option is correct. No. Do you ever clean your teeth at night? Yes. Which option is correct here now? Which option is correct here? Option. Which option? Option B. That is yes. I always clean my teeth at night. Do you ever clean your teeth at night? Yes. I always clean my teeth at night. Okay. Now see kids, these are very few questions which we have covered in today's revision. You can do some more revision. You can take some more question of your choice and you can do some more revision. But one thing, what you will do, you will write down this question in your activity book. Okay. In your 1 number book, that is your rough book, or you call it as activity book. Okay. You write down all this question in it and write these options also and take the correct option. Okay. And practice this. Okay kids. Thank you all of you.